Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to another vlog. I'm feeling very accomplished today and I want to share that with you guys because I successfully built my very first gaming PC and oh my god, it's very accomplishing. Like, it's pretty much like adult Legos. Like, I'm not really too familiar with like PC builds and all that, but after all the research and purchases that I've done, I kind of got a better understanding about what I need and all that stuff. So today I want to walk you through my PC build. I actually didn't film me building the PC because since it was my first time, I really didn't want to mess it up. So I did that off camera, and right now I'm just going to show you the parts and the final build. So let me take you over here. So let's start off with my CPU. I went Intel. I went with the i5 66K. If it focuses, you can see that right there. And then I went with the Gigabyte H170 Gaming 3 motherboard. I really want to get something better. I actually started off with the Asus Sabertooth Z170, but that was way too much money and I couldn't really afford anything else. I kind of went with those, what do you call it, that purchase, like, you don't need it but you want it kind of purchases, and that's what I've done. And actually, I kept some things I had to return because they're just too expensive and I wasn't going to use them to their full capacity, but I ended up getting the Gigabyte H170 Gaming 3, which is pretty much all I need at the moment because I'm not really doing extreme gaming at the moment. I mean, maybe in the future I can definitely upgrade, but for now I'm sticking with this. And then for CPU cooling, I was gonna go with a normal fan or stock fan that came with the CPU, but I ended up doing the liquid cooling with the NZXT Kraken X61 because there was a sale on it, and you know what, why not? I figured buy the good stuff now if it's on sale, so when I upgrade it's like less things to take out and replace. And then I went with the Samsung SSD 850 EVO 250 gig card here because this is my operating system in all applications, so I really don't need anything higher than that. And then for memory, it's not in here right now, but I'll show you inside my case later. I went with the Ripjaws 16 gigabyte, that's two 8 gig sticks right there. And then I don't have a box for it, but I went with a Western Digital 1 terabyte just for games, music, whatever. And then what else? Video card right here. I went with the EVGA GTX 970. I did a lot of research. Pretty much this whole build is very minimal, but it's able to support virtual reality if I ever decide to go that route. And for my power supply, I was gonna go with the EVGA 500B because it was cheap and the rebate would knock it down to $33, but I want to play it safe. I know $650 is a little overkill to support all this because I really don't need it, but just in case, it's always good to have a higher wattage power, especially if you upgrade. You don't really have to replace this down the line, and Corsair, you really can't go wrong with that brand. Focus, do it. I went with Windows 10 Home. You know what, I thought about Pro. A lot of these gamers are going with like Windows 10 Pro and i7 Intel chips, but I really didn't need that. I feel like people get the i7s because a lot of the gamers use Elgatos, and to use their stream commands you need an i7 core, but since I'll be running through Elgato to like capture my PS4 right here, I figured I'm going to use OBS and use those features because I really didn't need to spend another $100 or so for the i7. I mean, if I do later down the line I have to, I'll get it, but at the moment I really don't need to do that. Okay, so that's pretty much the internal stuff. Over here I have a Logitech C920 camera. I actually had this for a while. I don't know why I bought it, but I'm glad I didn't like get rid of it because I could use that now. I got an Asus 24-inch screen, and then I went with Razer Black Widow Chroma's keyboard and a Death Adder Chroma. Oh, look at it, light up, lit up. It lit up. And over here is my build inside. You really can't see it, so I'm gonna open it for you guys so you can take a little better look. I still need to work on cable management because it is disgusting. Anyway, the case is Fractal Design R5 windowed. I really like Fractal Design because they're very minimal and it's just clean like looking. It's not too crazy. I'm not trying to like build like a whole LED like light show here. So here is the inside of my PC, and here's the motherboard, here's the RAM, those two red sticks over there, the liquid cooling I'm pulling out from the front. Over here I'm using an optical bay to hold one of my hard drives. The SSD is on the opposite side, And look at this. It's just, ooh, looks so sexy. Look at that. And it turns on so fast, like, damn. Look at that. Ooh, light up keyboard. Right now it's kind of like magenta. I gotta work around with these keys because you can really like customize it and all that, which is pretty cool. So yes, this is my PC build. And I know this is not one of my normal videos to kind of show, but I want to share my whole PC build, and I'm trying to get gaming into my YouTube channel if you guys are interested in that. So I built this for that. So that's my PC build. If you guys are interested to know the exact parts, I'll put a link to my PCPartPicker.com in the description down below, so be sure to check that out. And hopefully I can get this thing up and running soon for gaming on my YouTube channel. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!